day vlog. So today, my mom and we are going blueberry picking because there's only so much that you can do while on quarantine. We're gonna pick some blueberries to make some blueberry waffles and pancakes. We're now in Alright, so we're in the middle of picking blueberries. Okay, I almost got stung by a bee and I hit it and I feel so bad because it was the cutest little thing ever. The dogs are so big. It's like they're bigger here. So how do you think that went?
It's easy. Easier than I thought.
I need a cold brew. Gotta find the struggles. But no, today you're never gonna guess what just happened. Are you kidding? Dude, this parking spot is like so tight and like scary. Like, I can't get it. Remember the last time I was at this Cuban bread place? It was after cross country. Oh, no way. No. Is that good? Oh, for the love of God, that was a big. Oh.